Welcome back to TJ Militaria. Today we're going to talk about the Mills Bomb number 36. A very brief insight into the actual grenade. The Mills Bomb was developed in May 1918, just at the end of the First World War. Obviously there was different variations of the grenade used prior to this, but we're actually just talking about the 36 today. It was referred to as the Mills bomb, and it basically had two fuses of 4 seconds and 7 seconds. Now the problem with the 7 second fuse was the soldiers were throwing them, and subsequently the Germans were throwing them back. So when the Second World War came along, the only variation of the fuse timings was the 4 second fuse of the actual Mills bomb. So what we're going to look at, we're going to look at the particular Mills bomb that I've got in front of me here, which is like I say, it's a number 36. It's a lovely example here. It's nice and clean. It's got all the relevant markings on there and all the relevant dates, which I'll show you in a bit, and the components of the actual grenade. These particular grenades were actually used right through to the 1960s, so they had a real good service life. The actual Mills bomb is actually a lot of people think it's an offensive grenade, but it was actually designed as a defensive grenade. It basically contained about 70 grams of TNT, which I believe is toluene or some. I'm sure somebody can correct me in the comment section below. And it had a sort of range of about 35 meters. It probably weighs about just over half a kilo, and it's probably, I don't know, 4.5 inches in length. Now, looking at this particular grenade, you can see that we've got the original pin on the actual hand grenade. Now, the pins you see on a lot of these grenades are actually the more modern ones, which are got these split loops. But this one is a self-contained. Basically, it's welded together, and it's completely intact. As you can see there, you probably, if I show you on there, on one of my next grenade videos, I'll show you the modern split pin. You got the filler cap on the side here again, which unscrews. On the bottom of the grenade here, you've got a nice clear stamp on the bottom, number 36 Mills Bomb Mk1, and it's got made by APDP. Now, initially I thought that was some kind of armored personnel marking, but carrying out some research on that, it is actually the foundry where the actual grenade was made. I've put the details of the foundry and details of the stamp in the comment section below the actual video, and you can see there we've got a 1943 date. Now, unscrewing the bottom cap, again you can see everything's there. We've got a nice threaded cap, no damage there. Inside we've got a nice clean internal mechanism. We've got all the springs, and we've got all the priming caps. Obviously the grenade is completely inert, and we've also got some nice stamps inside the actual grenade. Now I'll just pop that back on there. We've also got you can see the remnants of a green band around the actual grenade. This indicates a particular type of filling, again, which I've put into the comments section below, because I don't want to make mistakes and sort of make something up that or try and say something that I can't remember. And obviously not got the best memory in the world. So as you can see, it's a lovely piece. It's in excellent condition. And we've got a few now on the website. We've got the ones with the gas stop plug for firing out of a grenade launcher. We've got a couple of examples. We've got some American grenades, and we've got like I say, a nice range of British grenades. Now, this grenade is actually it's under pressure, so obviously you've got the pin would come out of here, as you can see, nice original pin there, no damage. And you've got the fly-off lever on the side here, which is actually under pressure there of a spring. So basically, obviously, as you probably all know, but the soldier would hold the grenade in their hand here, keep their 3 fingers on there on the fly-off lever, and when the grenade was thrown, the fly-off lever would fly off, which would then initiate the fuse inside, set away the fuse, and 4 seconds later we've got an explosion. So again, I'll just collect that in. So there you can see a nice clean fly off lever. Like I say, you can see there that all the components have worked. The internal parts are all correctly working, and nice example of a number 36 grenade. So if you're interested, check out my website, which is TJS Militaria online, and have a look around the store. And if anybody's got any comments, just let me know. I do apologize for any inaccuracies in my videos, but I try to remember as best as I can. But it's about showing people what the actual products actually really look like, instead of people using photographs that kind of conceal what the actual, that there may be some damage or there's a serial number missing or something like that. I like to show my products in their bare detail, and actually so people can actually, before they decide on buying any of these, can actually check out my videos and actually see what the actual items like. So once again, thank you all very much for coming back and checking out my videos. I look forward to seeing you on the next one, and thank you very much.